Welcome everyone. I'm here to show you on how to install a script using Flutter. So firstly, how can we achieve this? Go to your web browser. I'm on my Chrome here. Then type in code Cayenne. After typing code Cayenne, it will bring you to this site. Then you can search for any script you want to install or you want to use. So what I'm going to show you is on how to install a script named Glover. Yes, as you can see, you can purchase your script from here and get it done. So I've purchased it already, so I'm going to show you on how to install this script. So after it has been purchased, I'm going to go to my Android Studio, which is here. Come to my file and go to the directory where it is. So this is where my directory is of this script. Firstly, let's get the dependencies of this code. As you can see, the dependencies are somewhere. This will take a minute or less than that. Let's wait for our dependency to be done. As our dependency is running in the background, let me try to explain what this. Yes, as you can see, the dependency are already resolving. So I will just give a brief introduction about this application. So this Glover is mainly focused to support building the delivery business. This app can be used for grocery, food delivery, fruits and vegetables, and parcel or carrier delivery service. This is an app inspired by the Flutter framework made by Google, with the mission of reducing thousands of business hours spent on designing, developing, and testing mobile applications. Glover comes as a complete solution to optimize delivering your application to the market with high productivity and cost effectiveness. It could be able to satisfy all of the business requirements, including delivery, tracking, functionalities, impressive UX design, and smooth performance on both iOS and Android devices. Either you are a business people with raising sales ambition or developers with fast mobile application creation need, Glover provides this solution: fast, smooth, and close. In this application, I'm going to tell you some features of this application. The first one is the e-payment credit card integration, cash on delivery and payment on pickup delivery methods, support RTL languages, is either Arabic, English, Indonesia, any language is there. We also have the dark mode and light mode there. Also have push notification using FCM, which is the Fire-based cloud messaging. As you can see in this folder structure under this lib, you can see you check the view model. You have different features on this app. So part of the feature is also the easy to restart theming, working really well on both iOS and Android with support with 60 frames per second, which is the 60 FPS. The login and register feature is there. Forgot password, vendor and product food search. I'm going to show you all these things on the device after we've run this code successfully. Product listing, parcel delivery, product details, we have the cart feature implemented, we have the checkout features implemented, we have the user profile, we have the user orders, we have the app setting, we have the notification, we also have the help and support, we have the account setting, we also have the tracking order. All those features can be implemented at your taste. So let's get to the work. You can see this is the authentication feature, this is the booking feature, this is the cart feature, this is the category feature, this is the chat feature, this is the checkout feature, this is the commerce feature, this is the coupon feature, delivery address, favorite, flash save, and so on. So after I run this app successfully, you are going to see it on my display screen here. Still resolving dependency. Let's wait for the dependency to be resolved fully. Yeah, as you can see, the app is already running. This is the home page of the app. You can see we have the e-commerce, we have the food and drinks, we have grocery, we have the pharmacy, we have the booking hotel, we have the service, we have the parcel delivery, we have the taxi booking. Let's come to e-commerce. As you can see, this is our e-commerce. This is my current location, Belgium University of Technology. Yeah. So under this commerce, we have category, we have baby product, we have watches, we have jewelry, we have wealth and witness, we have pet supplies, automotive, music instrument, gardening. Also have the best selling, as you can see. Also have the new arrivals, as the arrivals are entering from the database is displaying here, as you can see. So this is for the e-commerce. Let's check for the food and drinks. You can see for the food and drinks, we have soup, we have dessert, we have canned food, spices and seasoning, we have confectioners, pasta and noodles. So as I said earlier, we have popular vendors. Those vendors that are popular shows here on the app. You can see them. Food nearby, we can easily get our food nearby. You can get all vendors and restaurants. And also there's a promo for you. There is a feature implemented there for promo. So as you can see, so this is the other features. For each order you need to log in and register. Also have search to search for any items. We also have more here. You have the notification, you have the rates and review, facts, frequently asked questions, privacy and policy, terms and conditions, contact us, and the live support, and we have the languages to check for any different languages. As you can see, this is just the overview of this app. To get this app, check the comment section and follow the link. Thank you very much.